Alright guys, so we're working on the truck again today, and today we're going to be buffing it, trying to bring the paint back to life because I'm tired of my truck looking ashy. I'm going to cut the rest of the exhaust off. I'm going to cut the cat off and give it that, you know, that big roar and see if that really wakes it up a little bit, because this is a rooster. I want it to be loud and obnoxious like a rooster in the morning. So first off, we're going to buff the truck and see if we can bring that paint out back to life. Let's get it. So I cleaned the truck up and it's slowly fading back to its original dry, ashy color. But we're going to see if this Formula 1 truck wax can bring it back to life. So let's go ahead and see. I got a buffer and everything. Like I got the tools, bro. I got the tools to try and get this job done, because I don't want to drive in an ashy truck. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if this is too much or too little, so it's too much. Put too much of it. This is what happens when you live in the South. Just dogs just come out of nowhere while you're doing, and they give you like the death stare, but they're the sweetest things ever. Yeah, you're sweet, you're sweet, you're sweet. It's working a little bit. It's kind of bringing it out. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Guys, so as you guys can see, she's shining now. It really brought out the shine in it, and there's still like some uneven spots that I need to get, but for the most part it looks a whole lot better. Now I just got to get the rust off and take off the cat, and just to bring out the roar and that thing, you know, make it sound good too. So I'm sorry if you guys only see grass and stuff, but let's see if this handy dandy handsaw will cut through this exhaust. So I finally got it out. That was hard, bro. I didn't think it would be that hard, but look at how thick this metal is. That's like thick as freak, bro. But I got it out, so my head hurts. Like it would vibrate and it'd be shooting my head back. It's like I'm shooting a freaking 50 cal or something like that. But I know y'all don't care about that. Let's see how this thing sounds now. All right, y'all, let's see how it sounds. That's just straight head, bro. Like, that's insane. And it's not even that loud. Oh my God, it smells good, that freaking gas. Yo, that is nice, bro. Straight head, boy. Oh yeah, it's a mean truck now, boy. I'm telling you now, Rudy 250, bro. Gonna be mean forever.